In recent years, we have seen an increased focus on food safety and a high demand for improved hygiene and efficient cleaning processes. To accommodate these increasing demands, BLÜCHER introduces an entirely new drainage concept. An innovative design in stainless steel to prevent bacterial growth and to optimize water flow as well as cleaning processes. With a unique channel design for efficient drainage, even when handling small amounts of water. Production downtime is reduced due to a new high-volume filter basket, collecting large amounts of waste. Available for customization to meet any challenge. All this ensures production efficiency and top-level hygiene. Hygienic Pro. Designed by the first drainage system manufacturer to hold both HACCP certification and EHEDG membership.